everybody, this is Juan from Noise, and today we're gonna make iPhone X, iPhone 10. We're gonna replace the broken glass for you guys. So with all the details, with our professional technicians here, so we're gonna make this video for you guys. So please come closer. So we're gonna, what we need, of course we need a broken, the screen with a broken glass. We need the obviously front glass, OC film, and we also need the frame, the new frame for the replacement. And during the process, we're gonna need this tweezer. We're gonna need this tweezer as well. What else we're gonna need? We're gonna need the separator and also the motherboard for testing the LCD. And after we separate the LCD, the broken glass, we're gonna clean the glue here. Also use the hot plate. So after that, we're gonna use the laminator. So this is the laminator we're gonna use for applying OC film, and also to put laminate glass with screen together. So this is the laminator we're gonna use. So after that, we're gonna use the bubble remover to remove the bubbles. So if there is any bubbles, we're gonna use the bubble remover to remove it. So this is like a whole process. Normally it takes like 20 minutes. So now let's get started. So firstly, we're gonna test the LCD. So there is on the corner. So make sure touch works well. It's around 1 minute. So temperature 90. We're gonna wait for 1 minute.
chino, inglés, portugués, tailandesa, español. Este debe ser Camboya. Esto tailandesa, ruski, Deutsch. I'm sorry, viene decir a chino. ¿Qué onda?
Yeah, English. Let me check it. English. This is English. Because my technician he cannot understand. Okay, let us put inside of this bubble remover, and temperature we're gonna set for 50. It's okay.
Okay.
40.
Let's do it.
The time we set for 20 minutes, and that's it. Okay, guys, this is the whole process. So the most difficult part is the separation. So after that, the lamination is easy. You just follow all the steps according to, there is a mode. So here's the mode. So you just follow the, okay, here's the, this is what you guys said. This is the one with the cut. Because, you know why we made this? Because sometimes we make edge. This is like special one we made for ourselves. And now we're gonna start setting this one in May without machine, because sometimes when you have the edge, you can put the flex here, so you don't need to bend the flex. You have a place for the flex, so you won't break the LCD. The lamination part is very easy. You just follow the process. You won't have any problem. And the bubble remover also easy. Just put it inside, wait for 20 minutes, then it's okay. It will be okay. The most difficult part here, lo más difícil es la separación. Okay? The most difficult thing is the separation, because you have to cut with where there are two ways you can separate with freezer, and also you can separate with hot plates. The hot plates is the cheap solution. Okay, this one everybody can afford it. You're gonna need tweezer. I don't know how this is in English. Maybe a PIR, plier, something like this. Pinza en español, ¿vale? El marco, frame, cutting wire, and the liquid they're using. Okay, this is like sometimes also you can use this one. Because this technician, this guy is not used to use this one. That's why I didn't tell him to use this one. He like using his finger to pour this OC off. That's why he doesn't use this one. But normally you can use this one. It's like it depends on every I guess technician. They have their different way. But this is like a way you can take it as a reference, una referencia para ustedes. ¿Y qué más? Nada más. Y nosotros